Good day, my name is Jennifer Calma, and today I will be solving the addition and subtraction of vectors. So let's proceed. The question number 1 is for the addition of vectors. So what are the magnitude d and direction angle theta of the net displacement for the treasure hunt? So here is the equation. So let's proceed. Tinry ko pong i-recreate yung drawing dito sa gilid para po mas madali siyang masolve. So, para po sa may pag-solve ng vector A, we have 3.75 meter multiplied by cosine of 90 degrees. 90 degrees po kasi naka-plot po siya dito sa y na malapit po sa positive x. So, the answer is AX is equals to 0 po. For the BX naman po, nakaplot po yung B dito sa positive x-axis po. Kaya po, 2.25 pa rin po siya. So, magiging 2.25 meter cosine 0. Ang answer po ay BX ay 2.25 meter. For the CX naman po, we have 3 meters cosine of negative 45 degrees. Kaya po siya naging negative 45 is yung nakaplot po siya dito, pero dahil po pababa yung angle niya, negative po yan. So magiging CX is equals to 2.12 meter. So now let's solve for the AY. For the AY, we have 3.75 meter. So, stay na po siyang ganyan dahil po naka-plot po siya mismo sa y-axis. So, for the BX, equals na po siya agad sa 0 dahil po naka-plot nga po siya sa x-axis po, which is yung ito pong horizontal. For the CX, ito po, CY po to. For the CX, we have 3 meter multiplied by sine negative 45 degrees pa rin, and the answer would be negative 2.12 meters. So dahil po dyan, pwede na po natin ma-solve yung vector ng dx and dy. So for the dx, 0 plus 2.25 meter plus 2.12 meter. Ang answer po natin ay 4.37 meter. So for the dy naman po, ang magiging ano po natin ay dy equals to 3.75 meter plus 0 plus negative 2.12 meter. And for the answer po ay magiging 1.63 meter. Ngayon po, pwede na po natin makuha yung magnitude D. So, for the magnitude, ang ano po natin is D equals to square root of dy squared plus dx. So, substitute na lang po natin siya. So, for the dy, we have 1.63 meter squared plus 4.37 meter squared. So, for the answer, we have 4.66 meter. So, ito po yung magnitude ng T. And for the, ano naman po, yung direction ng angle, ang kailangan po natin gawin is theta equals to inverse tangent of 1.63 meter divided by 4.37 meter. So, yung final answer po is 20.5 degrees. So, ito po yung direction ng D and ito naman po yung magnitude ng D. So, let's proceed po sa subtract of vectors. So, for subtracting vectors, we have the problem of find the magnitude and direction of D. So, let's proceed. So, here we have the value of AX of 2.50 meters, BX is 3.76 meters, while AY and BY have 4.33 meters and 1.37. So let's start to compute for the dx. Dx is equals to AX minus BX. So let's substitute. So it is a 2.50 meters minus 3.76 meters. So the answer would be uh, negative 1.26 meters. Now let's solve for the dy. dy is equals to ay minus by. So let's substitute the value of 4.33 meter minus 1.37 meter. And the answer would be 2.96 meter. So here we can now solve the magnitude for the d. So the magnitude formula that we will use is the Pythagorean theorem. So d is equals to the square root of negative 1.26 meter per second plus parentheses of 2.96 meter squared. So pares po silang squared and the total would be 3.22 meter. So this is the magnitude for the d, and now we will get the value of direction. So it is theta equals to inverse tangent of 2.96 meters all over negative 1.26. So the answer would be theta is equals to negative 66.9 degrees. So we can get the positive direction by simply subtracting the 180 degrees. So 180, by adding the 180 degrees to the negative value, and the total would be 113 degrees. So ito po yung positive na direction niya. That's all.